Hi there, students. Pell-Mell, pell-mell. This is one of these rhyming couplets. Pell-mell can be both an adjective and an adverb. I think more normally an adverb. It means very quickly and in total disorganization. So the alarm sounded and everybody ran pell-mell for the door. Yeah, very quickly and in total disorganization. Yeah, there was chaos and anarchy. Okay, in a confused rush, in a disorderly manner, they all went helter-skelter for the door as fast as they could. Okay, so pell-mell, rapidly and disorganized. The pell-mell pace of construction in this district is just changing everything. Yeah, they are building pell-mell all over the place. Okay, so if you move pell-mell, then you're going very quickly, very rapidly, and not without control. They all rushed pell-mell into the kitchen. Yeah, hastily, rapidly, without care. The hunting dogs ran into the farmer's field pell-mell. Yeah, all of the things in the room were pell-mell. They were thrown everywhere. Yeah, so disordered, tumultuous, disordered confusion. Yeah, in a jumbled, confused mass without any order, without any method. Yeah, just total chaos and confusion. I woke up really late this morning and I had to rush pell-mell to work because I was going to be late. Yeah, okay, the different thoughts came pell-mell to my mind. Yeah, they came rushing to me. They made a pell-mell rush for the exit. There you go, as an adjective. So something that's disordered without thinking about it. Pell-mell, helter-skelter, rushed and hurried, rashly hurrying, recklessly at full tilt. Yeah, impetuously. Yeah, there was a pell-mell stampede of people. Yeah, they were rushing as fast as they could. He threw his stuff pell-mell into the car and drove away as fast as he could. The bell for break went and the children rushed pell-mell into the schoolyard. Okay, I like these rhyming compounds. Okay, they sound quite good. So pell-mell, formality. I think it sounds maybe a little bit old-fashioned, a little bit literary, so I'm going to give it a 6. You could use it in an informal conversation, although you're going to sound a little bit posh using it. Use it in a semi-formal writing, definitely. I wouldn't use it in a very formal writing, but you could use it in something literary and it would sound very nice in that. The origin comes from French. There's a French phrase, pêle-mêle, meaning any old how, at random, chaotically, in a confused, disordered way. And apparently that's linked, that comes from an old French phrase, pêle-mêle, which is still a rhyming compound, based on the verb mêler, to mix or to meddle in something. Probably that's linked to the word melee as well. Okay, so pell-mell, rapidly and chaotically. Yeah, he studied pell-mell for the test because he only had 10 minutes before the teacher asked him the questions, and he hadn't studied it at all. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pell-mell.